One. Whoops. Sorry, guys. I was trying to count down for the start and I accidentally clicked the button. So, welcome to the channel. Welcome to another day of JavaScript, which this light in the behind me is really glaring. I just noticed that. Can I move my head? No. Alright, I don't know. Not looking about it. So basically today we didn't learn anything coding, but we learned how to set up a better dev environment. So we learned how to use a extension called live server. So basically what that does, how do I activate it on here? That's interesting. Don't work it. You know what though, we can't go live, so let's go live. So there was two ways of doing it, and that was there we go, we're live. So now if I control S, should reload. If I do any changes in the dev, hang on a minute, oh, I'm in the wrong thing. That's why. Where do I want to go? Junk if I make any changes in the IDE VS Code, it's just going to, when I save, it's just going to refresh the browser. Yes, it's working. Yes, I love it. So, oh, dude, this is so cool. Oh, wonder what happens if I just hit enter. Nothing. How do I get this to accept this tab? Okay, dude, that's so cool. I just learned something new. So, sometimes I love these little pop-up boxes, and sometimes I don't have to get in the way. But anyway, so live server, we downloaded an app, or not an app, an extension. I'll show you. It was called live server right here. We downloaded that. As you can see, it says 17 minutes ago, or milliseconds, I don't know. But that's one way we went. Or if I go in to new terminal, I can do that. I know the thing's going to be in the way, but if I just hit live, no, not liver, live server, and then I click that button. So now, okay, here we go again. It's gonna make me do this again. So I have it two ways. I can do it from the extension, or I can do it from Node.js, which is built into VS Code. It's its own program, but I can use it from VS Code, which is kind of cool. So anytime I go like console, oh, where's our little, yes, gotta remember our shortcut that we made. But what is it, calc age, and then we just do a random age. No, we'll say 1999, and then we hit Control S. Now it should refresh over here, and we get that age from 2026. Subtracting 1999, we come up with 27. And I know it's hard to see with my watermark, but down here in the terminal, basically it says a change was detected, and that's why the page refreshed. So I can go either way, which is kind of really cool. So I can use the extension, or I can use the terminal, which I can go either way. I want to learn how to use Node.js because, I mean, it's terminal. Like, you've guys seen the terminal before. That most, it's like a black box that pops up. Windows has one built in automatically. It's like the PowerShell. But yeah, it's that's basically what we did today. Just install that and learn how to use the live server. So it's pretty cool. I like it. Now, as he says, we're literally learning how to code with a real environment, because this is what real environment looks like. We don't sit there and refresh the page every single time. It should refresh itself. So it was really fun learning that. The next lesson is learning how to think as a developer and learning to properly code. I'm guessing there's more to it than just thinking like a developer. There's clean code. You don't want to repeat yourself twice. If you find yourself repeating yourself twice, then that's why functions are so important. You make a function, and that should be like one time used in your code, and or you have it one place, and then you can use it multiple times in your code. So it's really cool. But yeah, clean code. I don't really know what else there is, so that's why I'm going to watch the video tomorrow. But I'm excited. I'm really excited. But yeah, that's basically what we did today. Just set up our learners environment, our coding environment, make it a little bit more convenient for us. So as you saw yesterday, we downloaded the extension for Prettier, and that's going to make our code formatted correctly from a certain point of view, I guess. I'm not Obi-Wan Kenobi, I promise, but because it's based on their opinion on how it should be formatted. But everybody has their way of coding. The only thing I want to keep the same, and I really want to see it when I save it, is like if true, I don't like my curly braces to be like this. I want my curly braces to be like that. So if I save it, is it going to correct it? No. So that's good. I want it looking like that. I've learned to code like this. And I want to continue to code like that. So yeah, that's the way I want it. I like it like that. So yeah, that's the way we're going to keep it. I guess I could have just said const is old enough, I guess. So there it is. And Control S, and nothing's going to change, obviously. But yeah, that's basically the only thing that I really want to stay the same. I don't like when they do the curly braces. Actually, no, I'm lying. When they do curly braces, they put it down here. I don't like that. I don't know why. It's not me. Oh, good. It just automatically fixes it like that. That's good. I appreciate that, because I don't understand how somebody could code like that. To me, that's confusing. I don't know. I don't know. Now I'm going to start playing around. Yeah. I don't know. Just being goofy. So if I change this to false, it should say I like pizza. Oops. Oh, what are you doing? It should say I like pizza, right? Is there an error? It's old enough. No, why is it doing that? True. I changed it to false on purpose, so it would... I don't know. Why is it doing that? What does this mean? Oh, wow, this is so much cool. I don't know. Some of the stuff that this... when I downloaded some of the stuff, it's... I don't know. It just added more features. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna get stuck on that. But anyway, I don't know why that didn't work. That's very odd. But it should just. I don't know. I know. I know. But then it's just gonna say Thomas again. I don't want to do that. I want it to. I don't know. Why is it doing that? I like pizza. I don't know. But I'm gonna keep saying I don't know if it'll stop. Anyway, yeah. So that's basically what we learned or did, was just add new features to the node or the VS Code and make it a little bit more user friendly, if you will, for people that are into coding. So yeah, that's it from here. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Sorry, I don't know why I did that, but if I keep going, I'm probably gonna keep saying I don't know. So I don't want to do that. Anyway, I'll see you guys later.